So let's just discuss some important question that will give you an overall idea, and after that we'll work on the template part. So let's just start it. Can we still use template for describe, image, and read the lecture? So answer is yes, you can still use the template, but it's important to make them sound natural. Avoid memorizing and robotic delivery. And there's a template, like there is a beautiful image in front of me. I have to speak for 40 seconds. So this kind of images, this kind of template, you need to avoid. Otherwise, you will not get the scores. And let me tell you why in the upcoming question. So, what exactly is changing in PTE scoring for describe, image, and read the lecture? So, answer PTE is introducing human evaluation if your response sounds too scripted or unnatural. If it is natural, AI will grade as usual, but if flagged, a human expert will assess it. So, if your answer is natural, okay, and you have added the enough keywords for read the lecture and describe images, AI will check as usual, but if flagged, your answer will go to human expert. So if somebody will be sitting right there and will be checking your describe images and read the lecture, if it is kind of memorized, so you will not have any good chance to scores in those parts. So will using template affect my scores under this new evaluation? See, if your answer is pretty much natural and you have added enough keywords from the reader lecture, from the describe images, so you don't need to worry about this, okay? So what can I do to prepare for this new evaluation process? So if your exam is nearby and you have just in a few days, I would just suggest try adding keywords. In the describe images, speak up to 35 seconds, at least 30 to 35 seconds. Add content, 30 to 40% content must be there. This is the only way to get the scores. And I'll also give you template, you can use that, and you can still get the scores you need. So these are the updates that I have added here. PTE update describe image and reader lecture. So new double checking system. AI flag responses that seems memorized as we have already discussed. And only flag response go to human assessment, not all answers. So that's a good news for you. If your answer will be kind of natural, so you don't need to worry. Your answer will not go to human experts, so they will not evaluate your answer. If your answer is natural, then you will get your scores as usual. Describe image tips. Use template. Yes, you can use templates. I have mentioned before. Don't use just memorized phrases. Try to use different sentence, different words. Okay, so that's a way. Focus on content, include keyword, element, numbers, and relevant detail. So whatever is present in the image, whether it's just it's map or it's bar, so add whatever it's there. If the numbers are there, add numbers. If words are there, add words. Okay, so whatever is present in the image, so add from the image. Speak naturally, aim for 30 to 35 seconds, avoid repetition and irrelevant content. Yeah, do not add something from your own side, especially the colors part. We used to add colors, but now you cannot add the colors as well. So read the lecture tips. So content is key. Use phrases, not single word from the lecture. And yes, that's really important because some student, as they have used kind of one word, like they have speaker was talking about atmosphere. So what kind of atmosphere? Clean. Okay. He was talking about the bottle. What kind of bottle? Water bottle. This is a valuable keyword, I would say. And maintain fluency in pronunciation. Do not hesitate or self-correct. Always use new sentences whenever you add a keyword. If the keywords are less, you can repeat the keyword, but do not repeat the content sorry the lines. So, general tips, stay relevant, do not add unnecessary information as we have discussed. Use keyword if limited. If few keywords, repeat them in a different phrases. Do not worry about grammar, just aim for smooth and clear speaking. And that is the motive behind your all speaking. We tend to focus on the content part, but content is not our priority. It is a priority because we'll be speaking on the behalf of content, but still you will get maximum numbers from your fluency and your pronunciation. And so these are the general tips for the retail lecture. You can also take the screenshot meanwhile. So retail lectures speak naturally and clearly. Pronunciation should be accurate. Avoid using single words. Use meaningful phrases as we have discussed. Speak for at least 30 seconds, ideally around 35. If you can speak up to 30 seconds, that should be the that's good. But if you can go further up to 35, 36, that's also okay, but don't go far more than that. So use small phrases directly from the lecture. If you're short of phrases, you can repeat the keyword but use different sentences each time that we have discussed. Use a structured response but avoid repetition, the same sentences. Don't worry about the grammar and vocabulary. Focus on fluency and your pronunciation. We have already covered this part, but I'm just repeating as I have written here. So now a gift for you, a template. Please take a screenshot. I believe my photo will be here, my video. So please take a screenshot. Yeah. So now I have also added the answer. I'll help you out with that. Please take a screenshot. So now let's just discuss a little bit. If it is a bar, then add mention bar. If it is a pie, mention pie. If it's a table, line, or whatever it is, or if it's just an image, it could be image of a phone. It could be image of it could be just a scenery or something. So whatever it is, just present, just mention there. Okay, so now another details according to the image you need to add. I'll help you with that. So that's the answer. So how you need to speak. This paragraph, this paragraph represents detailed information about monthly sales performance of a company over the course of years. Within this bar, I can identify keywords elements like month of the year, sales figures, and the product category. Additionally, it is also displayed the highest and lowest sales month, growth trend, and overall performance. It includes several values such as 10,000 January, 15,000 March, and 8,000 in June. Overall, this bar is informative, clearly illustrating sales trend over the year. So that's an example for you. It's not the perfect, but you can just take an inspiration from it. So next, our retail lecture. So let's we have less time, so let's just cover as soon as possible. So retail lecture, yeah. So that's a template for you. I'll also help with the keywords. First, take a screenshot. Now that's the answer for you. Okay. So just give me a second. I believe it will be visible for you now. So the lecture was about artificial intelligence. In this lecture, the speaker used terms as machine learning, robot, and data analysis. Furthermore, he also highlighted AI in healthcare, automation in jobs, and ethical issues. Additionally, he explained AI in everyday life, data privacy, and future job opportunities. Overall, entire lecture was about technology and AI impact, providing detailed information. So that is, if you will just follow these two templates, you can customize it, but if you will just follow these two templates, still you can get the pretty much good scores. The idea is behind the template is only to let you speak in a manner so you will not make any mistakes. So that is the idea behind the template only. Okay, so I hope this video will help you out somehow, and make sure you follow our channel and YouTube channel and our Instagram page so you can stay updated about further information. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.